this is my second installation. I installed them probably a few months ago. Jamica Kingston twist. So these ones right here are for crochet. Anyway, so these are the two curl patterns that I use to get this color and to get this this look for each. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looks like. This is what it looks like. See, this is cut in half. And I didn't like the blunt little end, so what I did was I would like pull them like that. So like I would do it like that. And then I would just like kind of stretch it out. Ain't that so pretty? Look at this little orange piece right here. I love that. So anyway, another piece, whatever piece I grabbed out the bag. And so, okay, so something like that. And I took both pieces there. This here is cut in half, but I put them on top of each other like that. So I took this end, and this end, and I put it on top of each other like that to see how long the twist is giving me. So you do have to eyeball it. See, this is that pretty orange. It was like a pretty like orange highlights inside that freetress hair. That's really, really pretty. And so, yeah, and so I was supposed to install these weeks ago. It was supposed to be for fall. Give y'all a little side view. It's not too long. They were super long before, and they were thicker. And I like them. I've seen them on girls, but you use more hair. It's more expensive when they're longer and thicker. This mousse, I've been using this mousse, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So I should just probably put it right on top of your head, or you can put it in your hand. It always comes out, but like more. And I began to just take the mousse and wipe it down like this. Wipe it on top of the curls. You can never put too much mousse, to me. That's just my opinion. I haven't had any troubles. It just makes the curls come back alive, and if they're looking a bit dull to you, go ahead and put your little mousse on there. Right back to life, so don't worry about putting too much. I really like the dry look. I really like this look, y'all. Like, I really do. I feel like try it out for yourself. It's a great winter protective hairstyle, I feel like. And I just wanted to show y'all mine and how they came out. I think they're super cute, like seriously. I even wore them up. But I just wanted to come on here and show y'all. It's not gonna be a super long video, but I wanted to show y'all my passion twist video. Do not forget to subscribe.